What is up, everybody? So today we'll be engraving without any marking on our stainless steel tumbler. If you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe and let's go. What is up, everybody? So I'm using an Xtool. What is up, everybody? I'm using an Xtool 20-watt Pro, and I'll be doing this tumbler real quick, guys. So I did an engraving test already. I've done a few little designs. I think this one looks the best color-wise. I think that looks really good. So we're going to try to replicate it on a new design. I'm going to show you how to do it. Really quick video, guys, for someone that hasn't done it in a while. First things first, use this. Needs to be plugged into this. Let's see if I took this out. Yeah, right there. Man, I'm surprised I was able to do that with one hand. And you plug your rotary attachment in. See if I can do that without looking. Right there. It should just click in. Now we're connected, guys. Make sure the Xtool faces you. So if we're looking at it like this, we should be good to go. So now you just kind of line it up however you want. Depending upon how you have your settings on this is dependent upon your stuff, I guess. So right there is where we're gonna set. Okay, I don't have that much room. I'll be showing you the design here inside. Most of the stuff's on the inside anyway, but this is, like I said, real quick. So let's go to the computer. Alright, guys, I am using XCS. I am not using Alright, guys, so this tutorial will be in XCS, guys. Creative Space, Xtool's Creative Space, guys. So I'll be doing a Bitcoin. After doing my settings here, I think I'm going to change my lines. All this means is how many times, how close you want to fill it in. If I want that to fill in, it takes a little bit longer. But I usually sit around 70, but I'm going to bump it up to 80. And my speed around 20 with the one pass. So for those who've never used this before, here's my size. Right here is how big and small I want, width and height. Right here, of course, when you upload your video, depending upon how you want your design. So this is how you upload it normally, right? So if you want it to face north and south on your tumbler, so if you want the bottom to top tumbler, you just rotate it just like this, guys, and you're golden. You'll never have a problem. You click process. Always hit frame. Right now it's just generating preview. I don't really pay that much attention. This is what it's going to look like. Click framing. The screen will pop up. Alright, guys, so I kind of cheated already. So right here, what you're going to need to do is drop this. This is your focus arm. I already know I'm good because I've already been doing it, but I forgot to tell you all that in the video. So that's how you get your thing in focus. Make sure the highest point of your tumbler. Right now, it's going to hit right there. I'm not really sure where it's going to hit, but it's going to be up and down. So it's going to be, the B is going to be facing this way. So what I'm going to do is press this button since I already hit frame, and we're going to watch it, what it's going to look like. Okay, that's going to go right over my other design. So I need to rotate this just a bit and hit it again. Okay, so I want to scoot this back just a bit. Let's try it again. And that's gonna be perfect. Now I'm just gonna scoot it just a bit more and do it one more time. That is too close to comfort. It's like right there. I'm trying to get it perfect, guys. Sorry, it takes a little playing around with. Alright, that looks good enough. Guys, and I completely forgot, you need the extensions on your legs, so let's take a look. You need these extenders on your legs. I completely forgot. Normally I run my top over there for ventilation stuff, because most of the stuff I do is hats. And I'm just starting to get back into tumblers again. And yeah, please put that on. I also run my air assist on 24/7. Okay, now that that is done, we'll hit framing is complete. We'll go over to the start. You click start. It's gonna say it is ready. By the way, guys, I'm using the Wi-Fi feature off Xtool. Xtool is one of the few laser engravers that allows you to use Wi-Fi. I do have a plug-in in a laptop, but sometimes it's just too lazy to use it. So let's go take a look. Alright guys, so I got my little glasses that comes with Xtool that they sent with this package, and I'm gonna hit this button. Once I hit this, guys, the laser will start. Alright guys, so it's about 30 minutes in and the engraving is complete, and now I'm going to show you the results. Alright guys, here you go. Took about 30 minutes. Said here's all my other little markings as well. This is a stainless steel hog tumbler. Every laser is a if you like this new long form content, I haven't done one in about a year or so. I might start doing that again. In the comment sections below, let me know. That's all I got for now, guys. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much. Alright guys, later.